Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the TP-Link Tapo C200 pan tilt home security Wi-Fi camera. Now as you can see, it's got 1080p high definition full HD video recording, night vision up to 30 feet, and it has a micro SD card slot where you can insert a micro SD card up to 128 GB. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Before we actually unbox it, I'll tell you some of the other features of this product. Smooth pan and tilt, so this actually gives you 360-degree horizontal range, 114-degree vertical range. It has a sound and light alarm, live view, there's a privacy mode, night view, there's two-way audio, so you can communicate with others with the built-in microphone and speaker, and you can share your videos via your social networking platforms from the app. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So when you unbox this device, there's a quick start guide which you get right from the top. It tells you to download an app where you scan a code. There's a mounting kit given, we'll just come to that. Some more documentation. This is pretty neat. This is neat. If you need to ever mount this to a wall, you can put this sticker on the wall and it'll actually tell you where to drill. So you don't have to make the marks. It's actually there for you. Let's go ahead and take out the camera. So there you go, that's the camera right there. If you tilt it up, I'll show this to you. Tilt it up, that's where you put your micro SD card slot. And if you ever need to reset this, if anything goes wrong, if you change Wi-Fi networks, you change phones, you shift houses, you can always press reset over here and it resets, and then you can just pair it up again. So I'll just put this down right here. What else do you get in the box? You get a pretty standard power adapter. This runs on power, so they've given a pretty lengthy cable, which is useful. And you have a mounting kit which you will mount to the wall. So there you go, folks, that's what you get in the box of the TP-Link Tapo C200 pan tilt home security Wi-Fi camera. We hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much.